Getting started with Tyms in 12 minutes. Tyms is a modern, AI-powered, and automation-first approach accounting software. Ambitious businesses, committed founders, innovative CFOs, and smart accountants choose Tyms. Tyms might be most affordable, simple, and comprehensive tool out there, but what matters to us is how time-saving Tyms can be. Let's take a look at all you need to know to start using the Tyms accounting automation software. Here is the dashboard, where you keep track of your cash balance, revenue, expenses, and net burn. You can view your reports across different periods. Here is a chart showing the flow of cash, and you can easily see the progress. Here are some quick starts. These are expected quick and new onboarding processes like setting up a chart of accounts. You can use Tyms in multiple theme modes. You can choose to switch based on what's best for you. Now, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. On this page, you can change your business logo, update business information, provide your brand color, set your business currency. Note this can be set once. Provide a tag for your business, like your business username. Choose the template of your invoices or documents. Select color branding for your documents. Provide your fiscal year and social platforms information. That is your business social media profiles. You can also configure all your default accounts, manage taxes in your regions, create branches, and add employees to track their allocated transactions, such as salesperson conversion or salary on each. Users will be able to log into your account, and you can create custom permissions. Click on the arrow left icon to go back to the home page. From the sidebar, go to Accounting module. Here, you can create your chart of accounts. Work on your opening balances imported from previous accounting software or your trial balance. You can manage your journal entries, view your trial balance, income statement, balance sheets, and cash flow payments. You can export reports to PDF for an exam. You can see a dashboard showing all financial issues you need to track. You can analyze and check each metric to gain insights. You can view this across different periods and ask AI for additional insights. Now, let's go back to the home page and look at the automation module. The automation module allows you to manage documents like bank statements, view statements, or data from your point of sales. When you upload documents to Tyms, you can generate a workflow. A workflow is an automation you create that periodically locates your documents, bank transactions, and ledger, then performing actions for you behind the scenes. You can provide AI instructions on how you want the processing to be carried out to enhance the output. Once a workflow is running, you can see the status of your document after it has been analyzed. The dashboards show the total documents added, storage used, documents yet to be processed, and active workflows. Data extracted or collected through automation are uploaded into your account ledgers. Now let's look at banking. The banking section allows you to manage your bank accounts, Create a new bank account by providing the name, account number, and account code linked to your chart of accounts. You can choose the currency of the bank. If you already have a bank, you can view the reconciliation status, see all transactions, add new transactions, create bank codes, and generate a forwarding email for the bank. The forwarding email allows transactions from the bank to be automatically forwarded and recorded into Tyms under the bank. Back to the home page. Let's look at the Revenue module. The Revenue module allows you to manage all your sales, create invoices, sales receipts, recurring invoices, and quotes. You can view sales reports by team, customer, tax, or employee. You can also create invoices directly from this module. Next, check the Expenses module. You can create a new expense, prepaid expense, bill, or paid expense. Edit your information easily. Here we have reports to view expenses by vendor, category, tax, or team member. You can set up recurring expenses known as accounting bills. Back to the home page. Go to Inventory. Create inventory items and track their value. Monitor the opening balance, closing balance, and average balance based on different methods like FIFO or LIFO. The inventory dashboard provides quick insights into your inventory, cost of goods, closing balance, and more. Restock inventory items, raise purchase orders, and create inventory adjustments to correct errors. In Contact Management, manage all your customers and vendors. You can create a new contacts, set up new balances, and provide balance periods. Manage payable accounts, expense accounts, and download customer statements in Excel or PDF. Let's look at fixed assets. Manage all your assets by creating them. Selecting the depreciation start date, salvage value, acquisition date, asset name, description, vendor, depreciation accounts, asset accounts, and other information. Tyms computes depreciation automatically and syncs it to your ledger in real time. Manage payments of your assets, track asset payables, and disposal of assets when necessary. For point of sales, give your team access to manage sales from the store. Every transaction syncs automatically to your sales portal. The display at the store offers different payment methods, including split payments. The Projects module allows you to create different projects and view their statements. Assign records to your project for easy monitoring of funds movement. Download project statement to see how money flows in and out. Back to the home page. Focus on the modules you're more interested in by clicking the pencil icon. Select and order them according to your priority. This reduces the menu list so that you can focus on what matters to you most. You can switch between branches. From this side, if you have multiple businesses that you're managing, let's say you're an accountant or consultant, then you can switch between each business from here. You can click on your avatar image to manage your profile settings, billing, chat with us, or go to our help center. You can easily click here to switch back to select another business. This is what the Tyms modern accounting software looks like. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview. To learn more, you can easily schedule a demo with us. Bye.